Sending money through Citibank is a straightforward process that can be done online or via the mobile app. Follow these steps to complete your transaction easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Citibank account by visiting the Citibank website or opening the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, locate the transfer or send money option in the main menu. This section will provide you with various options for sending money. Step 3. Choose your transfer method. Select the method you wish to use for sending money. Options may include sending to another Citibank account, an external bank account, or using services like Zelle for instant transfers. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Input the necessary information for the recipient, such as their name, email address, or bank account details, depending on the transfer method you selected. Double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the common link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily send money through Citibank. Always ensure that you are using secure methods to protect your financial information.